Good morning. Today is the first bonsai workshop of 2023. I've really enjoyed these workshops. They're very helpful and very engaging, and everyone there is super nice, super great, and I really enjoy going to them, meeting new people, seeing new trees, seeing what everyone's working on creating, and see what information we can get, and we'll get some footage of some other people's trees, and we'll take you along for the ride. So let's go.
So you always kind of start from the bottom. I like to start from the bottom.
Yeah.
And this needs to be thicker, but most of the time you trim these back to two buds.
Yeah.
I might have some in my hand as well. So.
It has to go. Oh, goodness. I know. I'm so sorry. Okay. I think it's like, it's hard when you have trying to keep a vision for a tree. You know,
yeah.
Like you have to look at each branch individually as far as like, okay, what is it serving? What purpose is it serving? What can I do with it? But then you also have to keep stepping back to be like, where does this fit into the whole of the tree?
So what's the other tape that you use?
So most people use this, but I don't.
Is it painter's
This
tape?
This is that flagging tape.
Oh, okay.
I like to use. There's some clear green tape at Lowe's or Home Depot.
Yeah.
I think they actually say it's for tying up tomatoes and stuff, but I like that. I use that because it doesn't stretch, and that way I can get them really tight. The tighter you can get it on there, the faster it'll clasp the rock, but you don't want to, if you use wire or something like that doesn't have a large surface area, it'll bite in. So that's why I like to use that green tape, is it's a wide surface area so it doesn't bite in. But I can still do it really tight without stretching the tape.
John, my trident is from last year. Should I?
That's okay. We can check it out. We can look at it. Because we dug these up last year and looked at them.
Oh, okay. That's why I'm not sure, because they say that 2 years I'm like, should I look it up mine?
We can look at it.
Should I take it out now or just wait for you?
It's whatever you want to do. Just if you do take it out, just be ready to put it like in some water or keep it misted or something.
I'll wait for you.
Okay.
And then I was playing with like your dead strip.
Are you okay?
I'm good. Have my workout. My weight training. Can you, am I open up?
Oh yeah, you're good. I just didn't want to.
I don't want to poke your eye.
It'll be like, instead of this.
Okay. Now I'm gonna do the other side, and you'll cut this off in the summertime. So.
Okay.
Will you spin it around?
Pull it up and then cut it.
No. Just cut it from the top.
Oh, okay.
So that was a lot of fun with the workshop. As you could see, we went through a lot of different pots, repotting plants, trees. People brought their different trees. I tried to show you a lot of the different types. There were a lot of maples there. People were doing some trimming on. One of the things that I love about these workshops is they're all about sharing information, sharing resources, teaching you new things. And there's one lady that we were talking with and watching her trim up one of her trees was Jane. Super nice lady, and she knew that I had a Trident Forest, and she was willing to help me out. And she had an oval sized pot that she gave to me. It is a pot that I think will do well, and hopefully next month I'll be bringing that pot and the Trident Forest, and we will get it repotted and get it set up, and hopefully we'll do some more.